You guys, I want to make this trending hairstyle, but I don't have the extension, so I don't know what to do, but I always have my way. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome to my page, because I don't know where I'll be posting this video. So welcome to my channel, welcome to my page, welcome to my space. My name is Norma. Thank you, welcome, thank you for joining us. So let's just try to create something. That is why we are a DIY girl, of course. So I have this not really hair. I have this hair. What am I even saying? Not really hair. No, like it's not original hair. It's synthetic, but it has good quality. So I'm going to be using it for this style. So let's see how it turns out. I hope it turns out good, because I'm about to use my last strength. I'm supposed to be resting because this is weekend, or I'm even supposed to be at school, but I'm just here lazying around. So let's be useful by making this hair. Okay, so let's just get started. And the sweetest part of it is that this color is my hair color. You guys, are you sure it's my hair color? Yeah, somehow not really perfect, but manageable. So please subscribe, like, follow. Like I said, I don't know where I'll be posting this video, but anyway you see it, just do the needful. I was thinking of taking the hair out first, but let's do some experiment to know if it's what we want or not before taking it out. Get my point? So let's do that.
Intervention, divine intervention.
What am I doing? You guys, wait, hold on. This hairstyle now, I've made it before, which I promised myself that I'm never going to try it. But guess who is trying it out again? Me. Let's go.
But something deep within, something new, lets me emerge from my cocoon.
Guys, I'm feeling so hot, so I won't be using braiding gel.
I only have what's right in front of me. Only you know what is right for me.
So this is the plan.
Compromise, compromise, compromise. Improvise, improvise, improvise.
Okay, second one. Guys, if this thing doesn't work out, I will cry. So I decided to check out how this hair is going to look on me, and it is safe to say that it's going to be so beautiful. Look at that. So you guys, do you know that I have recorded a video and guess what? The video didn't save. Yeah, where I was making this back, but the video didn't save. So the video's what lost, not me. I'm so excited about this hairstyle, but then no strength. So guys, the plan was to make this hair with just my hair, but I realized that I'm not going to get that volume that I need if I use only my hair. So I have to add a little this thing attachment apart from the coily one that I'm using, in order to get that volume. Okay, this process is not going to be easy, but I just hope it comes out nice. Just know that making this style all alone is not going to be easy, but getting it done in the salon will be easy. Okay, like the vibe I'm looking for is like that vibe where I will carry my hair and it will not be looking as if, you know, I braided my hair, to be giving like maybe I'm carrying wave one, like wig vibe. Guys, this hair is not giving me the vibe I'm looking for yet, so I hope I don't give up. Like, I just hope I don't give up, because I did quick change mind. I feel just change mind now, lose everything. So make una beg me, oh. You guys should beg me so that I don't change my mind, because this hair, I'm not seeing the vibe yet. I just hope that with this method the vibe will start coming or start showing. Hey, oyibo. Bekee wa agbara. Bekee wa agbara. Are you okay? My yard people. You guys, I just realized that I have not recorded much on how I'm making this hair. Not nothing much is really going on. Just normal 3-strand plaits, just like knotless braid, nothing much. So braid, part your hair, braid, or maybe guys I'll just make this thing, what's it called, voiceover. Maybe that will be better. So add the extension to get the volume. You next is this hold it. Plait. You add another one. You can add up to 5 depending on how high you want the volume to be, 5 or 4. Me, I want the volume high, so I'm adding up to 4. So it's your choice, baby girl.
Vacation and pure introspection. There is nowhere else to go, so I'll be coming home to you. Your sadness doesn't compare to the happiness that's just around the corner. I only have what's right in front of me. Only you know what is right for me. Compromise.
The glow is blinding. It's blinding. Oh. If you haven't learned how to make a cornrow, I don't know what you are still waiting for. Just watch me. Can you see these two hands? You grab. Very simple.
Divine intervention. Only in my crucial moments do they pay attention carefully. The shadows of my past open me again. But something deep within, something new, lets me emerge from my cocoon. I only have what's right in front of me. Only you know what is right for me. Compromise.
This is so good. You guys, I'm so excited because this hair looks so beautiful.